Here, check this out. It's your boy PiKaHsSo out in Poe. Today is Sunday, September 30th, 2012, 5:17 p.m. And I'm about to set black people back 100 years and eat some fried chicken and drink this PiKaHsSo strawberry soda. Then I'm going to play me some basketball. That's some good ass chicken. Oh, damn. And some strawberry soda. Yeah. No damn thing. I already did it in this drumstick. I bet somebody right now look at me and say, I'm ashamed of that nigga there. But you know what? I don't care. I like chicken. I don't want the world to know. I don't care about my friend being embarrassed. None of that. That's some good ass chicken. Sorry, Spike Lee. I'm sorry, Al Sharpton. I ain't Bill Cosby. I know y'all ashamed of me.